Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Saponification is the base-catalyzed hydrolysis of an ester. When a triglyceride, glycerol triester, is treated with aqueous NaOH, a strong base, at elevated temperature, 100 degrees Celsius, for several hours, all three ester bonds undergo hydrolysis. Moving on to the next step. Identify the reactant. The structure shown is a triglyceride, glycerol esterified at all three hydroxyl positions with fatty acid chains, IChO-. This is described as the principal component of coconut oil, which is trilaurin, glyceryl trilurate, where R is equal to C11H23, undecyl chain giving lauric acid. Moving on to the next step. Reaction mechanism. Each ester bond, RCOCH2 or RCOCH-, undergoes nucleophilic acyl substitution with OH from NaOH. The hydroxide ion attacks the carbonyl carbon of each ester, breaking the CO bond and releasing the alkoxide, which is part of glycerol, and forming the carboxylate salt. And for the final step. Products formed. Each of the three ester groups is hydrolyzed, RCO plus Na plus R-Co2Na, sodium carboxylate soap. 3 moles of R-Co2Na are produced per mole of triglyceride. After all three ester bonds are cleaved from glycerol, the glycerol backbone is released as free glycerol, HOCH2CH, or CH2O, propane 1,2,3-triol, which is the structure shown in option B. Evaluate options. Option A, R-Co2Na, this is the sodium salt of the fatty acid, soap. Correct, it is produced. Option B, glycerol, HOCH2CH, or CH2O, also correct, it is produced as the other product. Option C, both A and B, both products are formed simultaneously in the saponification reaction, so this is the complete and correct answer. Option D, none of these, incorrect, as both A and B are genuine products. Conclusion. Saponification of a triglyceride with NaOH H2O yields soap, fatty acid sodium salt, R-Co2Na and glycerol. Both option A and option B are correct products. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.